Well, now to some business news. As public sector banks cut home loan rates significantly for new borrowers, it's the old ones that are feeling the pinch. The high EMIs are going to continue and transfer of loans to cheaper rates looks tough at the moment. Varun Kumar has that story.
8.5% interest on loans below 5 lakh rupees. 9.25% interest on loans between 5 to 20 lakh rupees. Clearly, affordable rates of interest announced by the public sector banks for anyone wanting to take up a home loan. But many like Mr. Ghosh, who is a businessman and already has a home loan, are rather disappointed from the announcement.
I'm totally disappointed for this. Really, they have not given anything to the existing borrowers.
The new rate of interest announced by the Indian Banks Association has not brought cheer to current home loan borrowers. Not only were there no announcement made to lower their rate of interest, but they are also finding it difficult to close their loans in a particular bank and shift to a public sector bank where they could perhaps get a cheaper rate of interest. In fact, when contacted, most public sector banks said that they were apprehensive in lending to current borrowers in these turbulent times. We tried to find out why existing home loan users can't be given this benefit.
Because the PSU banks are not making incrementally any money on this scheme, if at all a demand is also raised, they may seek to restrict the applicability of this scheme, because ultimately where will they pay it from?
Such arguments are not finding favor with angry consumers like Ghosh, who have seen interest rates climbing from 8.5% to 11.5%. They are asking how come the banks raise floating interest rates whenever rates were hiked in the last 2 years. Even after cutting prime lending rates, most public sector banks have not passed it on to consumers. Banks will have to address this sooner than later. In New Delhi, Varun Kumar.